You are currently checking out these faux flowers. Watch this video. I'm going to show you how incredibly realistic they look. The brand sent these to me to test out and try and give my opinion, and I'm going to tell you they look so incredibly real. Nobody would be able to tell that these are not real other than the fact that it is winter here. These do come in a 20 piece, and so I was able to split them up into two different pots. You can put them in one, in multiple, it doesn't matter. But they are so incredibly gorgeous. I love that they are UV protected, so they're not going to fade. They have this like eucalyptus on the stems. These are not too shiny where they just look super fake at all. And then just check out the detail of the flowers. The vibrant colors are gorgeous. They all just go together just beautifully. Whether you're looking at using this on a patio or on your deck or your front steps like I am, definitely grab these. They are nicely made, very durable, and I'm just overall impressed. So I hope this video has helped.